Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. So Nifty almost closed above 17,350, which was a crucial support, and Bank Nifty in fact performed better than Nifty. It closed above 40,250. That is good sign, right? The only reason Nifty was not performing was because of Adani. Adani Enterprises today also was down by more than 9%. Only God knows, there are so many conspiracies, Soros, that and this, Hindenburg, so on and so forth. But I'm not going into those things and all. But I will tell you one thing, that still FIIs are having heavy short in index futures. So be careful. I'm not saying it is time to go long. So just be careful. We'll talk about the levels. We'll talk about FIA activity. In fact, FIA have sold so much today. They have sold more than 2,000 crores. It is DIIs who have bought around 2,222 crores. We'll see that. And there is a call unwinding at Nifty, of course, right? If everybody was shorting, today morning I saw 17,300 and all people were shorting. 17,400, 17,500, 17,350 and all people were shorting. So I was thought, okay, markets were super bearish and it is going to go down. In fact, it went and touched budget day low, but it was very fortunate. It was DIIs who has pumped in lots of money and brought it back to above 17,350 levels, right? I'm telling you again, this Adani is a crap. This Adani is really a crap and creating lots of headache to retailers. You and me are only suffering. And you know what is happening to LIC? LIC alone today dropped more than 2.5%. It has lost almost 50% of its IPO value, my friends. It was around 945 levels when IPO was issued. You know today how much it is trading for? 550 or 570 levels. People who have invested in IPO, LIC IPO has lost more than 50%. Because LIC is having so much of exposure to Adani, and we don't know about SBI what is going to happen. We'll see one by one, but if you are following us, yesterday's video I told that clear levels that market may touch lows of budget day lows, which was around 17,300 to 17,350 levels. In fact, today's low was around 17,300 levels. So that is good news when it comes to markets. That is a Nifty. It is good news, but this is not yet over. Bears were so strong, and you can see these levels. 17,400 it touched once, it came back to 17,300, then somehow it managed to close above 17,350 or 17,400. That is the only positive news when it comes to Nifty. And Bank Nifty, it was in a bull run. It closed above 40,250 levels. This 40,200 level was a very good resistance. In fact, if you see today, two times it tried to breach. Morning it tried to breach, then came, not morning, yeah. So today morning, sorry, not morning, 27. Today it started at around 40,000 levels. It started around 40,000 levels, then all the way it went to 40,250. It came back, then it touched to the 40,050 again. So from between 11:30 to around 2 o'clock, it tried to breach 40,250 levels twice. Then at last around 3 o'clock, it breached 40,250 levels and closed somewhere around 40,350. That's why I told 40,250 is a very good resistance. Now, what is going to happen going forward? Maybe we will see 40,500 levels. That is what I believe. If global cues are all positive, when our markets were open, all Nasdaq, S&P 500, then Nasdaq, S&P and Dow Jones was trading in the green. It was up by more than 1%. Europe is also up by 1%, more than 1%. So it's all positive. It has turned positive. If you think it has turned positive, you might go wrong. So be careful, be cautious. We really don't know what is going to happen tomorrow, because the way these people, the way these institutions have shorted index future, they are having heavy short positions. So that is a big concern. Until that that position is removed, we cannot do anything. We will have to wait for them to unwind huge short positions. If they are not unwinding huge short positions, it is going to create a problem for us. So you will have to wait till they unwind their short positions, then we might go on the higher side. Till then, we will have problems, we will have to face the heat. At least this Adani, I am saying it again and again and again, at least this Adani stock should be removed from Nifty 50. Adani Enterprises must be removed. Out of all Adani stocks, only 2 are listed in Nifty 50. At least Adani Enterprises you remove from Nifty 50, volatility will be less. Look at the way people are, look at the way the market reacted today. So much of volatility. You imagine about an intraday trader, how would an intraday trader made money? So much of volatility in Nifty and Bank Nifty, how they will make money? It is almost impossible to make money in these kind of market. That's why I'm saying the whole one and only reason for today's volatility is none other than Adani Enterprises. If Adani Enterprises was not there, maybe market would have been smooth. Nifty would have gone above maybe touch 17,500, like how Bank Nifty performed, right? So anyway, we are in India, we cannot do anything. Not only that, India VIX crashed by 2.18%, so you can assume that maybe the low is cut, right? The lower side is very, very, very much limited. So that you can assume from the price action, right? So India VIX doesn't come down like this when the markets come down. That's why I asked in our Telegram group, like what you think about this thing. What is that? India VIX. So people commented lots of things, and we have a very vibrant Telegram group. We post market data, and we post everything about markets. We discuss many things about market. If you want, you can join, for which the Telegram link is on the description below, right? And if you see the market-wise participants, still they have 138,157 contracts, active contracts, short contracts in index future. So that is very, very dangerous. That's why I'm saying it is very, very dangerous. We are not out of the blues. You have to understand this. And long position is in negative. There is literally no long position at all. And you know, DIIs cannot match FIIs figures, right? That is also a different thing. Today they might have matched. Today they might have bought for around 2,200 crores. But we really don't know whether they are going to match it tomorrow, they are going to buy more than FIIs tomorrow, day after tomorrow. They cannot do that because FIIs are more stronger than DIIs, right? You historically, if you see, FIIs are the market makers. The FIIs are the ones who decide where the market has to move, how it has to go, where it has to reverse. Everything is decided by FIIs. That's why we give very, very important to this figure. Future index short position, still they have 138,000 short active contracts in index short. So you have to remember this. And this is a lagging data. This is end of the day data. I'm showing you 24th data. So 27th data we might get around maybe 7:30 or 8 o'clock, or tomorrow we will see if they have unwinded short position, and maybe they have increased their long position. If they have done that, maybe we will inch up. But as of now, still the markets are in bear's grip. At least Nifty is in bear's grip. So we'll have to wait and see. And last but not the least, FIIs have sold for around 2,022 crores, and FIIs have bought for around FIIs have sold for around 2,022 crores, and DIIs have bought for around 2,231 crores, right? So be careful. It is very cautious. And I'll show you one more thing also. If you see this open interest, look at the Nifty open interest. People who shorted calls are running for cover. The way Bank Nifty moved, it just moved 100 points, okay? From 17,350, just closed above 17,400. The 100 points rally, and they started squaring off. They started panicking, and look at the way they have run for cover. See this, not this one, weekly option. I'll show to Nifty weekly. Yeah, sorry, Bank Nifty. I was showing you Bank Nifty. 17,400 still, as I told you, 17,400 also, they have returned huge calls. Let's see if it is holding or not. So 17,400, 17,500, 17,600, all the way till 18,000 they have returned. Now if Bank Nifty gaps up tomorrow or Nifty gaps up tomorrow, this is going to be a very, very interesting thing. And these guys have to run for cover, and it will create a bull run in the market. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, that is where the big comedy happened. Like, people were running for cover, people were writing even 40,000 call option. And now you can see that there is a strong put rating at 40,000, at least 40 lakh active contracts in 40,000. Put option is there. So you can understand smart money is writing 40,000 put option. So maybe Bank Nifty is bullish. Nifty we will have to decide till tomorrow. We'll have to wait till tomorrow. And US futures, as I told you, all are trading in the green, more than 0.5%. And FTSE, German, France is all trading more than 1%. So I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.